Unboxing Sacred Saturday Provisions Edition. Today is Friday, 6 June 2025. I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle. And here I go. I placed an order on Sunday, 1 June 2025. And I'm seeing if I can do this without scissors. I'm just doing it with my fingers. And it arrived yesterday, Thursday, 5 June 2025, and it was scheduled to arrive today. So it arrived a day early. And I placed an order for a Sacred Saturday item along with a couple of a few gifts for my dad. And one of them, I checked my email, it looked like had shipped this morning, so we'll see. And so the item I got for my Sacred Saturdays is Nancy Drew Labyrinth of Lies, which is a 2014 game. And it came out after Nancy Drew The Shattered Medallion, which I've introduced previously, and before Nancy Drew Sea of Darkness. So this is if one does, I'm going to try, I'm tentatively sticking with my original plan of trying to install that one, and then if that doesn't work, I have this one. And then if I don't have this one, I have the other one. But, so, maybe doing a few eating during plays just to acclimate tomorrow. We'll see on videos, tentatively. And this one is, it's about Greek culture, but I'm not sure if it's set in Greece. It's like a museum exhibit about Greece. And stuff starts going missing. So, Greek is the cultural theme, but I don't know if it's just the museum or not. And then for my dad, I'll show you the two items that I did get. I got Jolly Rancher gummies, sours. He likes Sour Patch Kids and he likes Jolly Rancher candies. So I was like, oh, that'd be kind of fun. So this is going to be Father's Day. And then for his birthday, I got 2022 film Uncharted, which I've done movie notes on before. And I went to the store because I was on the shelves at the grocery store, the department store, back Christmas time, 2024, and I was like, see if it's still there, and it wasn't. And so, and then I went online and I checked, and it was like $15, $10 to $15 cheaper online. And I was like, you know, I was like, yeah, maybe it's God. You know, at the store I felt defeated, and I was like, well, and then I saw it online. I was like, well, maybe it's God's way of pointing this way. And then I was thinking about it. I was like, you know, back in the past, I had items stolen by mail thieves when I ordered via Amazon. And then I was like, maybe it's God's way of saying, put trust, you know, effort into building trust with the online retailer. So there's in the price tag can be like a positive takeaway. But I'm doing a movie and a snack. So this is Father's Day snack, birthday movie. It's an action adventure. Has wooden ships and stuff. And I was like, that's a good one for a birthday. And then snack for his birthday is, we both love blueberries. So I got Frosted Blueberry Pop-Tarts, and he likes Pop-Tarts. And then the movie is tentatively, I think I read the email summary correct, shipped Bob Marley, One Love 2024 film. I've done movie notes on that as well. And that one's for Father's Day. And I thought that was a good Father's Day movie. Did they ship it later or say that Bob Marley and or the actor is mine? Is that another Elvis in Austin situation? I don't know. Anyway, so that's a new edition, Nancy Drew Labyrinth of Lies.